Buddy, a very good evening, 3 p.m. by the watch. I'm Jashin Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of Amdecon Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. And as you can see, it's a unedited video. I hope everybody is doing good and it's a Saturday. And everybody's having fun at a blast. Finally, the weekend is here and everything and all that. So a quick tip, since you're going to be probably relaxing, taking it easy, going, enjoying, celebrating, exploring, eating out, dining out, wining out, partying out, or whatever. So if you're going to be doing that, that's amazing. And you would take note of this probably in a lot of places. But if you're not doing that and you want to just kind of enhance the sophistication of your spaces and stuff, so I come with an idea which you may have seen here and there, but just a quick one, because I'm going to be doing this. I've already got the elements at home and stuff. So just 3 or 4 pieces. One is the wine or the champagne glasses, flowers. I would not recommend a bunch, but maybe 3 or 4 or an assortment of 6 flowers. And then you have small candles. That's it. So what do? Invert the glasses, flip the glasses, invert them, put them on your center table, put them in your library room, put them on your consoles, your eating spaces and stuff, or maybe a window, or maybe your bedroom, your TV room, or whatever. What you do is you just place those glasses, and under the inverted glass you place a flower. So here, so a flower, and what you do is you kind of get hold of a champagne or a wine glass. So let's see here. This is just a quick unedited one. So here you have one. So you place these inverted like this. Here you go. And what you do is, on top of it, I don't think I got my candle here because I didn't think I'm going to do a live thingy. You place the candle here and you light it up. Your diameter or radius of the glass can be bigger as well. The flowers can be different as well. So you do this, and just light the candle wick and stuff, and you have a beautiful classy, luxurious decor ready at home, or your office, or your working space, or whatever.